Hi, I'm Mama Fontana and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're doing hamburger pie. So first and foremost for hamburger pie, we're going to do about 1.5 to 2 pounds of hamburger, and we're just going to brown it up. And this is going to be a really easy meal that you can cook the minute you get home from work, and you'll have a delicious dinner in no time. So I'm going to add about a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then, poof, I'm poofing. And how about a teaspoon of onion powder as well. Going to get this browning up. Some people call this shepherd's pie, but I've heard that shepherd's pie has a shell. I don't use a shell. So this is just going to be browned up, and then we're going to make it layers out. So we're going to put hamburger, and then we're going to use, you can use either green beans, canned corn, whatever kind of vegetable, peas if you like peas, in between, and then we do mashed potatoes, and of course cheese on top. Everything's delicious with cheese on the top. It's going to take a few minutes for this to brown up. Can you hear the sizzle? We're going to also add a little bit of salt and pepper while it's cooking, just to taste. I like more pepper than salt, and I think it's a little bit better for you too. So I want to do a little shout out. You've heard me talk about my son, Patrick, we call him PJ. And he and his fiancee Sarah, they are the people who do all my filming, and they have their own little group called Random Cloud Media, which is awesome. As you see, the quality and the stuff that they do is really, really good. But today is his birthday, and I just want to say happy birthday, PJ. Happy birthday, PJ. You know, I have 3 boys, as I've said before, and he's my youngest, and he's just a great person. I just hope you have a great day, honey. So I want to tell you all how much I appreciate how many people I have subscribing. I've noticed that the subscription is going up a little bit. Every week I'm gaining a couple. So keep reaching out to your friends if you like what I'm doing. Tell them to check me out. Check me out. And remember, subscribe down here. Hi, Juno. If you hear Juno bark, the front door's open. And she sees leaves or birds or whatever, she'll take off and start barking. So the kind of pan that I usually use for this is just kind of like a dripper pan. And if it's a little bit deeper, then you won't have a mess in your oven, which you 100% do not want a mess in your oven. So I have 1 can of green beans, and I've drained it. Don't add the water or you'll have a messy mess. All right, so I think this is good. I'm gonna turn this off so we don't burn ourselves or anybody. And we're gonna, first thing we have to do is just put the hamburger in here. Simple, easy peasy. So there's your hamburger, all seasoned up and delicious. Next thing you're gonna do, can of veggies. Just pour them on top there so it leaves a little bit of a layer. You, like I said, you can use this. You don't even have to use any vegetables, which is PJ's favorite way. So a little bit of canned vegetable on the top of there. And then I just used a larger package of pre-made potatoes. So, you know, however you, Idahoan or whatever flavor you like. And I just made them, just take some water and the packages and a little bit of butter if you like that. And you just put this on top. Pretty easy. I mean, this really is a simple meal that's fairly healthy, and it's really easy to make. Sometimes that's the hardest thing when you come home. Try to think of something good that will feed everybody dinner that's not too difficult, too time consuming. Because I know when you have kids and you get home and you're trying to get everything, homework and laundry and everything else done, having something that you can put together quick and easy is a godsend sometimes. So there's that. Smooth it out a bit, make sure it's on all the edges. And then of course, just cheese. So this is just some cheddar, a little bit sharp cheddar. You can use what you like, Monterey Jack, provolone, whatever it is you like. And that's all there is to it. So you have your cheese, your hamburger, your beans, and your potatoes, and there is your meal. So we're gonna bake it in the oven, 350, for about 30 minutes. It really just has to bubble through, melt, be delicious, and we'll be back very soon. See you in 30. Okay, we're back. Look at this. Melty, delicious. Let's take a little taste of this. You're gonna like it. It's delicious. Great meal. So, thank you for watching. Remember, subscribe, tell your friends, leave me comments. I really appreciate everything that you guys say and do. And as always, I share the love of cooking with my family, and now I'm sharing with you. See you next time.